How to turn on sub-only live chats on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Simply click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you'll find subscription in your bio. Click on subscription at the top. After you click on subscription, in subscription, scroll down and you'll find sub-only live chats. Simply click on it to turn it on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you do this, your sub-only live chats will be turned on in your TikTok account. And this is how to turn on sub-only live chats on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.